Today we're opening some basketball cards. It's tough opening them. Okay, got it. It's the mosaic. Wait, what year? 2021, 2022. I don't know who was in that draft. I really only watch football. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Starting off with this pack. I don't know what I can get, but I read on the box and it's like out of 26. LaMelo Ball, Joel Embiid. I don't know how to say his name. Anthony Davis, Dwayne Hunter, LeBron James. I like that pack. I like the LaMelo Ball, probably. I do like the LaMelo Ball. Okay. Gary Trent Jr., Zach LaVine. Let's go Bears. Is this an auto? Oh my gosh! Who is that? Not numbered, but it's an autograph, so that's the good pile. George. Oh my gosh, Cade Cunningham! That's a really good card. Cade Cunningham, that's a busting card. Why is it? No. Brandon Ingram. I don't know who that is, but it's a rookie. Okay, let me check out all my rookies I have real quick. I like that one with the shine. Pretty buzzing. Buzzing. John Morant. I always like a John Morant. Ooh, Tyrese. He went to Iowa State. Josh Hart. Ooh, what is that? It's a Darren Fox. It's a rookie. This pack has these. I think it's worth the money. Cole Anthony. Brian. I don't know his name. Derek White. Ooh. Oh, Rudy Gobert. I think. Currently Towns 70. Okay. Tell me if any of these cards are good, because I really don't know. Last pack magic. Then at the end, I'll show you guys all the good ones. Ooh, Damian Lillard. Oh, Cam Reddish. Kevin Durant with the bucket. Ooh, I like Larry Bird. Charles Beasley. Aaron Wiggins. Okay, I'm gonna go through this, see all the good ones. That Kevin Durant might be something. That Larry Bird might be something. It's a rookie. Another rookie. That Rudy Gobert might be something. That Cat might be something. Kyrie, probably nothing. John Morant, probably nothing. That might be something. I don't know. I'll check after the video. How about that? Maybe the PG-13. Boom. Rookie. Boom. Okay. So these are all the good ones. Overall, I say it's a good pull. Good box. If anything, I really like the autograph I got. Check the packs. I don't think I have any packs that actually have something inside. Hold up. That PG PG should have been like right there. Okay. Oh, I shouldn't touch that. Okay, so it was the rookie autograph from Houston, not numbered. Another rookie. I don't think any of these are numbered. Cade Cunningham. That's probably one of that might be the best I pulled. I wish I got a number card. Am I just blind? Oh yeah, we never checked out that one. Oh well, I say it was a good pack. The best card might have been the Cade. Where is he? Oh, the autograph. Okay. See you guys next video. Peace.